Hey y'all, welcome back. Mike with Blue Phase Plus. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a quick repair video on my 2019 Grand Design RV. The other day we went to go put on the propane and cook some eggs and bacon and good stuff like that. And well, I came out here to my propane tanks, turned it on. I could hear gas leak. I could see the little trickling from like the shadow, and I could smell it. So automatically shut everything down. Started doing some research, and I came across this product here. This is a RV propane gas regulator. It's kind of what it looks like. It's got the dual tails on it, and it's basically installed here at the front with my two RV tanks. So the only tools we're going to be using today is probably a couple pairs of channel locks. Picked this thing up, 45 bucks. Amazon, shipped right out here, so it's way easier than running into a dealer and having them fix it. So we're going to just hop into this. Let me show you guys a closer view of what we're dealing with, and let's get started. Let's get this thing done so we can get back to cooking. It's hot out here, y'all. Let's go. Go ahead now. All right, so when I turned this on, I heard a noise, and you can see here, it looks like there's a leak right here. It's kind of hard to see it, but if I turn this off, it doesn't go away. Stays. So I think it might be leaking out of the back of this. I don't think it's leaking right here. Alrighty guys, hope you all can see that all right. So we got our channel locks, gonna set them here on the side. So this cover just literally lifts right up on mine. I'm not sure about yours, but it should just lift right up. Oh yeah, getting caught up on the regulator because I was messing with it the other day. So with that first step, this is it here, right here. So first thing, make sure your gas is off. So we're gonna undo our gas tanks here. A little bit of, a little bit of residual. So then you got this hook right here. Just undo that. Oop, drop it in the dirt just like that. This piece here, just kind of slide this out here. And then it just lifts right up. And then we're gonna set it over here to the side, and I'll get you all a better view. Alrighty guys, scratch some channel locks if you got them. They can actually mess the brass fitting up. So I went ahead and I grabbed a pair of these bad boys here, adjustable wrenches, and very carefully, and it was tight, man. This took me a minute to break it loose, but just very carefully, once you get it, you're gonna break it loose, and that's just gonna flop right off. So if you look here, there's actually a changeover, so we're leaving that alone. So we'll just make sure these, looks like they might have had something on there. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use any type of sealant tape. If you are, please recommend it, comment it. I'll come back and I'll change it. But I ain't got none right now. And just want to get this done for y'all. But here, just thread this into there. I'm going to pull this little cover off here. Cover just sits to the side, make it just a little bit easier. You want to make sure that when you're installing it, you don't cross thread it. So just be very careful, because then you're going to be chasing down a fitting. And try not to spin this hose, because if you damage this, this is alrighty guys, so after that take, yeah, this is like my third scene here. My camera kept shutting down. I had to go back and delete, make some room. So I really hope y'all appreciate this. But yeah, for the third time, after you get this tight and secure, you make sure you don't want to damage this line, because it is factor. If you damage this, you're gonna probably have to take it in. So don't do that. Get that secure. A little clip right here literally just pops on, slides in over here. All right, you can hook your lines up. All right, 1 and 2. So those are on. Now you get this piece here and just kind of work it in here. Just make sure everything's locked in. Tighten this thing down. So overall, yeah, you guys, this is a pretty straightforward, simple DIY. Just be very careful. Make sure the gas is off. Don't damage your lines. And then you want to check for leaks when it's all said and done. So you want to make sure there's no leaks. If there's leaks, it could be a potential fire or explosion or somebody can get hurt. So if you don't feel comfortable doing this, take it into an RV shop, have them do it. Overall, just turn this on. This line raised a little bit. I don't hear anything, but I'm going to come back with some soapy water and just spray it and look for any bubbles. Check for any leaks. Want to make sure we don't have any leaks. So that's it, guys. That's how you change your RV regulator. Easy, simple, straightforward, one piece. Not a whole lot to it, y'all, but I appreciate y'all sticking tuned. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope you guys great success with your installation or replacement. This is a 2019, so this regulator has been on here for probably 7 years. So you know, if it lasts 7 years, it's not too bad. And overall, y'all, hit that like button, smash that subscribe. Let's get 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this channel going. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all's support. And good luck. See y'all next one. Y'all take care. God bless. Check out this skin, y'all. Snake skin. Anybody know what that is? If y'all do, comment, let me know. Should we be concerned? We got some pets around here, little ones. This morning came out and there it was sitting there.